which is the seabird rookery. I was here a few months ago and took some pictures of these birds when they just arrived. Now they've been here for a few months. Most of them have already had their eggs, their hatchlings. They're getting pretty big now, they're kind of cute. And as you can hear, it's quite noisy, and I'm adequately dressed to be around a lot of seagulls. So I'll come back behind the camera, pan around, let you see what it looks like here. Here's the actual temple itself to the birds. They're said to guide the fishermen to a good catch. So they're actually revered here and quite protected. As you're going to see here in a minute, there we go. Look at them all. A lot of chicks too. I'll do a quick pan around the ocean here and come back and show you the rocks behind me. You can see they're all nesting on these rocks as well. And back up to the temple.